Welcome to another video on logical reasoning. In the previous videos, we saw how to approach ranking problems and also solved few examples on single ranking problem. In this video, we will solve some questions on double ranking, which will wrap up the topic on ranking problem. Let's start with the first question. As usual, try to solve this on your own, and then we will solve it together. The first step is to create a visual representation from the information given in the question. Since Rohan is 6th from top, there are 5 students above him. If we include Rohan, then there are 6 students above. Similarly, since Rishi is 17th from bottom, there are 16 students below him. If we include Rishi as well, the total number of students below will become 17. Also, it is given that there are 7 students in between. Now that we know the number of students above, below, and between, they can simply be added up to get the total number of students. The answer can also be arrived upon by simply applying the given formula. By adding the rank from top, below, and the number of students in between, we can arrive at the required total number. Before we jump into another question, here's a question for you to solve on your own. Let us know your answers in the comment section. Once you have arrived at the answer using the approach we discussed, try matching it with the result you get by applying this formula. They should exactly be the same. If you liked the video so far, please consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates us to create more such content. Let us now solve a different type of question, wherein the participants interchange their position. It is given that Shreya is 8th from left, and Bhavna is 17th from right. In the second part of the question, they interchange their positions. Now, Shreya becomes 14th from left. If we observe this particular position carefully, it is 14th from left and 17th from right, using which we need to find the total number of girls. Does this problem seem familiar to you? Absolutely correct. It is now reduced to a single ranking problem, wherein we know the rank from both ends. We can simply add the ranks and subtract 1 to get the total numbers. If you don't know how to solve this, check out our video on single ranking problems. Now that you know that the total number of girls are 30, and that in the new position, Bhavna is 8th from left, can you find her position from the right end? We know it is easy for you. Let us know your answers in the comment. Here's a quick recap of whatever we have studied so far, based on whether we need to find the total participants or the number of participants in between. That's all about ranking problems. We hope you learned how to tackle such problems with ease. If you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe. See you again!